Founded in 1999 with a registered capital of 50 million yuans, Qingdao Hongzhu Agricultural Machinery Co., Ltd., has been a leading potato machinery enterprise in China, offering over 100 varieties across 4 major product series: potato planters, ridgers, killers, and harvesters, while investing over 20 million yuans in R&D to lead national and provincial research projects, securing a Shandong Province First-Class Scientific and Technological Progress Prize, over 100 patents, and industry-leading technologies. Our factory ensures quality with imported advanced manufacturing equipment like laser cutting machines and welding robots, and an 80% self-manufacturing rate of parts, selling its machinery across China and exporting to over 70 countries and regions including Russia, the US, and Africa, and looking forward to building long-term global partnerships. Hongzhu specializes in potato equipment for 26 years.